Storm by Nirvana is actually played tuned down a half step to E flat standard, but we're going to look at it in standard tuning here so you can get playing right away. We're going to start this song with a first finger bar across the second fret on the A, D and G strings. We're going to strum down on the E and A string, and then down on the D and G strings. We're then going to move the whole shape down a string set, so now we're barring the second fret of the D, G and B strings. Then we'll pick E, A, D, strum down on the G and B strings, and then catch the low E string afterwards. Okay, so the first bar. We're then going to move up the guitar and put our first finger on the third fret of the low E string, and we've got a third finger bar on the fifth fret of the A, D and G string, and we've got exactly the same rhythm as we played in the first bar as well. So we're going to start off on the E and A strings, then strum the D and G. We'll then move the shape down a string set again, so now we've got 3 on the A, 5 on the G, G and B strings, and we've got the same picking, E, A, D, little strum on the G and B, catching the low E string open straight after. Well, that second bar played slowly would sound like this. And the whole riff played slowly. And more up to speed. For the chorus, we're just going to swap between an E minor chord and a G major chord, and we're just going to strum down, down, up, down, up, and the same for the G, down, down, up, down, up. So E minor, G, E minor, G. For the mid-8 section, we're going to play a B power chord, going to a C power chord on repeat, but we're also going to include the fifth of the chord on the bass note below, so on the E string. For the B chord, we have second fret on the E, second fret on the A, fourth fret on the D, fourth fret on the G, and the strumming is down, down, up, down, mute. To get that mute sound, we just release the pressure on the left hand and strum the guitar without applying any pressure. So down, down, up, down, mute. And we move up to the C shape, so 3, 3, 5, 5, exactly the same strumming. And that repeats. The last time through, we do the same on the B. And we go up to the C chord, just play it once and leave it ring out before we go back into the main riff. I've left a link in the description to a version of the song in standard tuning so you can jam along without having to detune your guitar. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.